Guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm bringing you guys with another new train, as you can see. Now, just kidding. This is a W that I already had, but I converted into a I converted it into a not in service train. As you can see in the front, it doesn't have it basically doesn't have the sign on the top right here, on the top, and it just has the window. So it's not in service train. The ones that you guys probably see, it's R160. Yeah, that's really it. I converted it just a couple weeks ago. Thought I'd make a video about it. Here they are, the two not in service train cars. And they're right there. Then on the other side, it's W. It's not focusing. But anyway, yeah. That's the not in service train. Right there. If I put them together, it's like this. It's not focusing well enough for you guys to see. Alright, there. So yeah, that's not in service train. I actually think it looks pretty nice. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just a quick little video showing you guys I'm not in service. I might make one for the R168 or R146. But yeah, this is a quick video, and hope you guys enjoyed, and like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.